Let's be honest, the camera can be intimidating. Whether you're new to photo shoots or you've been in front of the lens for years, the feeling of nervousness is real. But here's the thing, you don't have to stay nervous. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go from nervous to natural in front of the camera and help you overcome that camera anxiety once and for all. Picture this, it's the day of your photo shoot and you walk into the studio or wherever it is. Suddenly, you freeze. The camera feels like it's staring right through you. Your hands get clammy, your smile feels forced, and you're overthinking every little moment. I've been there myself, and I know it's not just you. Whether you're a business owner needing headshots for your brand or an entrepreneur building your personal image, that camera anxiety can affect anyone. But don't worry, we are going to address both sides of this, the fear of looking bad and the pressure of needing to perform. Ready? Let's dive in. Here's the reality, we all have that same kind of fear when it comes to being in front of the camera. If you're an entrepreneur or a coach, building your brand, the fear of looking awkward or unprofessional is real. You worry about how you come across, whether the photos will look good enough or are you going to show up as confident, authoritative figure you want to be. And if you're an entrepreneur who's already successful but still nervous about having a personal brand photo shoot, it can feel like you're exposing yourself to judgment, feeling like the photos have to be perfect and you have to perform at your best. That pressure can easily cause anxiety. But the truth is, you don't need to look perfect or amazing in your photos. In fact, the most captivating photos are the ones that showcase the real you. Here's how to tackle the camera anxiety head-on. Preparation is key. Before the shoot, take some time to think about the story you want to tell with your photos. If you're a coach, think about what message you want to convey. If you're an entrepreneur, what's the vibe of your brand? When you understand the why behind the shoot, it becomes easier to relax. You're not just standing there, you're telling a story. Trust your photographer. A huge part of overcoming camera anxiety is trusting your photographer. The person is there to make you look your best and help guide you through the shoot. They'll direct you on posing, lighting, and all the technicalities. Let them do their job and focus on being you. It's their job to make you feel comfortable, so don't be afraid to speak to them if necessary. Breathe and relax. Anxiety often comes from holding your breath or tensing up. Instead, take a deep breath, let it out slowly, and remind yourself that you're in control. Movement is key too. Don't just stand there stiffly. A little sway or little tilt can work wonders to make you look more natural and at ease. Practice makes you comfortable. If you're feeling nervous before the shoot, practice in front of a mirror. Try different facial expression, poses and angles. See what works and makes you most comfortable. The more you practice, the more natural you'll feel when it's time for the real thing. And trust me, that confidence will show in your photos. Focus on your message, not yourself. Whether you're in front of the camera, remember, you're not there to judge yourself. You're there to deliver a message. Whether you're offering coaching, a product, or a service, shift your focus from how do you look to how can I best connect with my audience. Let's break it down using the MAN formula: motivation, attention, and need, and how these solutions solve your camera anxiety. Motivation. When you focus on the purpose of your photo shoot, it becomes much easier to relax, whether it's to grow your business or your personal brand. Knowing why motivates you. It reminds you that the photos are an investment in your business, not just a one-time shot. When you know why you're doing it, it drives you to take that action and push past that nervousness. Attention. Once you start trusting your photographer and preparing in advance, your photos will capture the attention of your real audience. Clients and customers are looking for authenticity and not perfection. When you show up as your true self, your audience will connect with you. Remember, the more relaxed and natural you feel, the more photos will shine, drawing people in who can sense your true energy. Need. You are the expert in what you do. Whether it is coaching or offering services, your photos need to reflect that confidence. When you show up naturally, it speaks directly to the need of your clients. They want someone who looks capable, approachable, and when you overcome your camera anxiety, you show them you are exactly what they need. So here's the takeaway. Overcoming camera anxiety is all about preparation, trust, and mindset. It's about remembering that your visuals aren't about looking perfect. They are about connecting with your audience in a real way. If you're feeling nervous before your next photo shoot, practice these techniques. Prepare, trust your photographer, breathe, and focus on the message you're sending. And remember, you don't have to be perfect, you just need to be authentic. If you're ready to book your next shoot and want to learn more about how to show up confidently in front of the camera, I'm here to help you. Reach out to me and let's plan a session that shows the real you. Camera anxiety is normal, but it doesn't have to hold you back. So let's get those nervousness over and embrace the process. Focus on your purpose and you'll start seeing amazing results. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.